This next section is, we call it the shifting United States. We've touched on it in the past. We've got a little bit more data to go through here, but I think the trends are becoming even more clear maybe than they already were. So first off, on slide 55, we have new data for 2019, courtesy of United Van Lines, one of the largest interstate moving and shipping companies. Also, we have state tax data. And what we're doing is really just comparing here migration trends based on the most recent 2019 data relative to effective total state and local tax rates. So at the bottom left of the chart, you have the states with the lowest tax burdens and also states seeing the highest net in-migration. So taxes are low, people are moving to your state. That's the bottom left. Top right, taxes are high, and on balance, people are leaving your state. And there is a decent correlation here. Granted, the R-square is only 0.17, but I think that kind of misstates what's really going on here. Interestingly, the states really in the crosshairs here, those states with the highest taxes and highest out-migration are all basically this sort of confluence of the tri-states, so New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Illinois, and Massachusetts. And if we go to the next slide, slide 56, you might wonder, well, is 2019 an anomaly, or is that sort of a consistent phenomenon? Well, the answer is it's pretty much the same as what we saw in 2018. So on slide 56, we have net migration ranks for 2018 on the x-axis and net migration ranks for 2019 on the y-axis. So basically, was there much change? Were there anomalous outcomes? And for a couple of states there were. So North Dakota was a little bit of an outlier. New Mexico was a little bit of an outlier. But for the most part, as the R-square of 0.879 suggests, the states that lost the most people in 18 continue to lose the most people in 2019. There's appears to be a bit of a pattern here. And the states that, again, were the worst in terms of losing people were New Jersey, Illinois, New York, Connecticut. So if we look back still a year further on slide 57, and we look at 2017, 2018, 2019, the states that are shaded in blue are the states that are getting people. Dark blue is a lot of people. Light blue is a decent number of people. Gray is sort of neutral. Light yellow, they're losing a decent number of people. Dark yellow, they're losing a lot of people. You can see that the trends are pretty consistent. The New York, New Jersey, Connecticut areas have been really donor states for quite a while. The Floridas and Carolinas and Tennessees and Nevadas and Texases have really been sort of the recipients here for a while.